Om Tat Sat. Today we begin with sadhana for day 13. This is the morning video, which is walking the path with trust at the feet of Shri Shiva. This comes in page number 37. I hope you all had read the entire chapter 5 times, 10 times, or 20 times. Can you try to recollect? What did you understand from this chapter? Walking the path with trust. With your eyes being closed, by sitting in a meditative posture. What did you understand from today's chapter? The answer in one word: trust. Trust Him, have faith in Him. This is a very powerful word and has a deeper meaning in the Bhagavad Gita, chapter 6. Arjun asks a similar question to Shri Krishna. Arjun says, "Dear Shri Krishna, what if a person walks on the path of spirituality, walks on the path of yoga, or is deeply surrendered to you and is performing his or her penance, but unfortunately, due to their past abhyasa of samskar and vasanas, their past habits of procrastination, of losing faith, of not having adequate trust. What if such a person falls in this journey? Don't you think that it would be a great loss for that person? A big loss. Neither would have such a person succeeded in their material life in the world. Neither would have they attained the higher realms, the heavens. So to sum it up more easily, what this question is, Arjuna is asking Shri Krishna, like us, he's doubting. What is the outcome of all this I'm doing, this prayer every morning, like day 1, day 2, day 3, every day I'm showing up, I'm meditating, I'm learning this divine wisdom, I'm praying to you, Shri Shiva, Shri Krishna. Still my mind is upset, is worried. Now what if I don't complete this journey? So we all are afraid, right? And the answer lies in this today's chapter. If you had read it 10, 20, 30 times, you would have understood it properly. The answer is, there is no fall. You will be protected. Even once you surrender to Him, it is surrendered. He will look after you. See, if a child falls while walking, if the mother sees, she comes and immediately lifts him up. And if there is no one around and the child is crying, the mother or the father, they run and come irrespective of where they are and they lift the child. Similarly, how many times you all would have said, Om Namah Shivaya. What is this mantra? It's a cry for Shri Shiva. Like a child crying. I'm sure you all know the noise or the sound what the child makes while crying. I won't make that sound. You all are aware of it. How a child cries is by screaming. Like that, our cry is Om Namah Shivaya. You call Him, He will come running to you. See, in this world, This works oppositely. In the world, the manager or the director of the company calls us and we go and meet them. They won't come and meet us. A very powerful person, they might call us. We should have to go there and meet them. They will not come to us. But have you ever imagined the most powerful person in this creation comes running to you when you call them? Have you ever seen yourself like this while chanting mantra? How lucky are you? I repeat again. Imagine I'm a manager. I will call you. You will have to come to where I am. I will not come to where you are. This is human nature. Ahankar. But Bhagavan, his nature is opposite. There is no ahankar in him. He comes running wherever you are. You call him just once. Om Namah Shivaya. He runs and comes to you like a mother or a father running to catch their child who's falling or who's fallen so they can lift the child back up. He comes to rescue you. So the question of falling itself should be deleted from your vocabulary list. From today, get rid of this word that I will fail or I will fall. Delete this word from your vocabulary. We don't want this word because in Shastra it is clearly mentioned, when you surrendered, you will not fall. If you fall, Om Namah Shivaya, he'll lift you up. Then what's the problem? So remember to have trust in him, to have faith in him, as he's always there protecting you, guiding you, helping you. How far we have come in our life, and we are here now meditating, listening to this satsanga. What all would have happened in your life, imagine. For the past few years, or many, many years that you've lived, how people would have been with you, how circumstances would have been for you. Yet you've come out of it. How? Even mentally you would have called him. You would have said, "Oh Creator." You wouldn't even have called him by his mantra. Or you would have said, "Oh God," or "Oh Bhagavan." What a "Oh Paramatma," however you call him. He came and rescued you. By you calling him indirectly, saying, "Oh God, come and save me." But now when you sit and call him with his divine name, Om Namah Shivaya, don't you think he'll come and save you? Think. Listen to this again. Think deeply. Let this wisdom enter into you. If you feel your life is very miserable, call him. Om Namah Shivaya. A mother will need, a father will need 5 seconds to hear the child. And they'll run and come. Imagine if a child is fallen like at a little far away place. And if the child cries, the mother and father have to run. But with Sri Shiva, he is within. How long does it take for him to understand that you're going through pain? The fastest turnaround time is with Sri Shiva. So you call him, have trust in him, have faith in him. Delete the word falling or fallen, or I will fall in this path, what will happen? Delete all those. We don't want it. If you feel you have fallen, Om Namah Shivaya, he'll lift you up. Because he does not want to see you fall. And he will not let you fall. So coming to page number 38. What is today's sadhana? So today throughout the day, walking with trust. Walking or performing every action. Walking here means everything you do. Any action that you perform with trust. That Shri Shiva, if I cook food, if I'm going to make my breakfast today for me and for my family, and when I offer that cooking of the breakfast to you as an offering, I know it will burn my negative karmas. And I know that you will also partake on it. You will receive it, through which I will be blessed abundantly. I have faith. Every action I do, everything I do, I offer it unto you, and I know you will be there to bless me. Faith. Walking with trust. Today, so read it with me, page number 38. Today, gently notice where fear or hesitation arises. In those moments, pause and turn with him. Ask softly, can I take one step with trust? Let this question guide you. Before any action, inwardly say, Shri Shiva, I place this in your hands. Let your every effort be sincere, without worrying about the result. At least a few times during the day, close your eyes briefly and feel, I am at the feet of Shri Shiva and I am supported. What it means is, every action, ask yourself, now I will be going to eat my food, or now I will be going to my office, I'll be driving my vehicle, or I will be speaking to a person. Whatever I do, first think, can I offer this to Shri Shiva? You yourself ask. And with a purified mind, after you meditate, the intellect will answer, yes, offer this. Everything is his. Why you shouldn't offer him? When you drive a car, you offer it to him. When you walk, you offer it to him. It's his Shakti. Without his Shakti, you can't even see. Without his Shakti, you can't even hear. So everything you do, offer, and have faith, trust. Don't fall here. Don't get tired with this. We are just at day 13. Don't quit here. Don't give up here. Continue, and he will bless you abundantly as he always has, without a doubt. Now let us meditate. I hope you'll meditate with me. Don't go away. No matter how busy you are, sit down. 30 minutes to 40 minutes, you should do it. I trust you will do it. Don't be bored or tired. Imagine how many times he has saved you. At least for once, won't you do it for him today? Throughout, I want you to meditate throughout. As long as I do it, it's a 45 or a 50-minute meditation. Sit and do it. Everything else can wait for tomorrow or later. But today, I request you that you will have to meditate fully. Have trust. He is there for you. Let's begin. In today's sadhana, we will be meditating on the mantra Om Namah Shivaya. This is said to be the Panchakshari mantra. If you remember, in the Shiva Purana, we learnt how chanting this mantra can give us all types of benefits, including the vision of Shri Shiva. It is said to be one of the most powerful mantras to meditate upon every day. So before we begin, please ensure that you are properly seated on the floor. with your back being straight, your eyes being closed. If you have any health related issues, or due to age, if you're not able to sit on the floor, sit comfortably on a chair with your back being straight and your palms facing upwards, resting on your thighs. Remember, we meditate on this mantra to realize the ultimate truth. The meaning of this mantra, Om Namah Shivaya, is Om, that ultimate reality. Namah, I bow down to you. Shivaya is that divine consciousness, is that ultimate Brahman, Shiva. So this mantra helps us to meditate on Shri Shiva, who's formless and who also has a form, who's Nirguna, formless, who is also Saguna, expressing himself in a form, so devotees like us can meditate upon him, can surrender to him. So with your back being straight, your eyes being closed, chant this mantra from your heart. This is how it is pronounced. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. You can even elongate it. Om Namah Shivaya. You can even elongate the Om. And you can slow down the pace of the mantra. So let's begin with a complete surrender of the mind at the feet of Shri Shiva. Oh dear Shiva, we want nothing else, we only want you. We have become confused and tired because of all ignorant desires that enters into our mind. Now show us the way, as you are Shiva. Shiva is auspiciousness. Shiva is also Ma Parvati. So chanting this mantra is invoking the power of Shri Shiva and Ma Parvati. Let's begin. Om Namah Shivaya. After you chant, focus on your breath. Breathe in fully. Om Namah Shivaya. Pause. Namah. Pause. Shivaya. This is how we chant. Do it with me, or do it every time after I do. Namah Shivaya. Focus on your breath. Whenever the mantra is not recited, the awareness should directly go to your breath. Nama Shivaya. Om. Nama Shivaya. Om. Nama Shivaya. Om. Nama Shivaya. Om. Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Om. Namah Shivaya. Om. Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. 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 Om Namah Shivaya. Hold. Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Om 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 Namah Shivaya. Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. 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 Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.